Alright, off to Saratoga Casino.
This one looks like it's thin.
This one or that one?
This one.
I think I'm gonna walk. You're good for a long time. Not anymore. Okay. Saratoga Casino. We were eating here last time. Now we're gonna do a walkthrough. Let's go check it out. So we walked up there yesterday. I'm gonna continue it down here. Here we go. Oh, it's dark down here. Dinero Loco. It's like crazy money, but Mexican or Spanish version. Whatever. Mexican version. Dinero Loco.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, look at you. Yeah, Yardbirds 3. Okay, I'm gonna get a soda. I got too much coffee. I'm gonna get a soda this time. Here you go. Yeah. I had too much coffee yesterday. Oops. Oh, here, Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew. Just press your luck.
Ooh, press your luck.
Wanna go get a card? In a bit? We just walked through last time. Oh, yeah. Puff it even more puff. Oh, there's the Tiki Adventure game over there.
Oh.
Yeah. At least the ceilings are tall. Ceilings are tall here. It's nice. It's not. It didn't feel like the other place where it felt like a house. So there's the bar right in the middle there. It sounds like people are winning bonuses here. That other casino, I didn't hear anything. Nothing. Yeah. No, not yet. Oh, congratulations. Nice. Table games up there. We're gonna walk around the other side because it goes further that way. Why, you want to go back over to... Okay. Good idea. Let's get a card. One on both those machines. Yeah. $10 bet.
What do you want them?
Not sure. Let's go walk through the rest of the casino first. Wait, did they say you have to swipe somewhere?
Yeah, well, you can swipe any machine.
Oh, any machine. Okay. That's not it, is it?
I think that's it.
What was
Tables up top.
what was the other casino? Oh, that's why. Okay, it was. This is Saratoga. Gilpin is the other one we didn't go through.
Yeah.
Okay.
Have it up there. Let's see.
Those are all table games, though, huh? Let's go check. Table games. Slot machines up here too. Yep. Some old slot machines. Roulette. Sports betting. Okay. Well, that's your Saratoga Casino.
Yeah, so it takes you back this way to the same.
I thought it was a lot bigger. Oh well. Well, this is not like a house. Saratoga Casino.
Ribeye steak dinner for $9.18.
Z Casino.
Waiting for lunch.
And then there's Sasquatch Casino.
Wow, this is pretty.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Look at this. I want to just go. Where do you want to go?
Everything seems to be open for dinner. No one eats lunch here.
Let's just go in here. See if there's any food.
Okay.
Okay. This is the Saratoga Casino. Looks like the food is upstairs. I think so. Main Street Café. Yeah, let's go to Main. I think it's upstairs. Main Street Café. Those are all beads? Oh, I see. Yeah. Nice. All right, cool. We're eating Main Street. Where is it? That's the Chop House. I don't know. We'll find out. So we're gonna go check out Main Street Cafe at, where the hell are we? Oh, Saratoga Casino. Look at this view. So Sasquatch Casino across the street. Z Casino. And we are, check this out, we're by ourselves, all alone here. I ordered a steak, but I want to go check out this old school stuff. Wow. This place is pretty old school. Whoa, what is... Oh, look at their hats. Those are firefighters. Oh man, that's cool. Man, the decor here is nice.
There's anything else?
No, that's it.
What's that?
Yeah, thank you.
Just nothing. What?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. This is good. This is good.
It's good.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Sasquatch Casino. 50 cent. fee for ATM.
Compared to Caesar's, $6.
Might have to go over there later.